Hey, what's going on, guys? As the title of the video implies, I'm going to be installing some whipless whip lights from Kemimoto on my son's 800 trail. It's a CFMOTO. I already have Kemimoto's fat whip lights on my Can-Am, so instead of taking those off, my son doesn't have anything on his, so I'm going to go ahead and install them on here. The only issue is the bar is not perfectly round. The mount that comes with the kit is good for 1.5 to 2 inch roll bars, which would fit on my Can-Am, but it does not fit on the Kemimoto. These are a little bit bigger and they're shaped a little bit funny. So I did find a spot here that has a pre-threaded spot to mount whip lights or flags or whatever you want to mount. This is everything that comes from Kemimoto. It has your wire harness. It does have a switch built in, which is nice. You know, when you get these kits, sometimes you have to relearn how to wire the rocker switches up. This one actually has one built in. These lights are whipless lights, and they're also turn signals if you want to use them for that. I'm going to install them right here. And like I said, it's nice that they pre-wire that for you. Obviously you have left, right, hazards, power. It has 300 different colors too. Comes with that nice remote control, or you can actually use the app if you want. So if you wanted to mount these to a roll cage, these are compatible with the 1.5 to 2 inch roll cages. Should be relatively easy. All you have to do basically is find a spot to mount your lights, run this to your battery or whatever power source you'd like to splice into, and that's pretty much it. I'll go ahead and throw these on the machine. I probably won't show the install because it's so easy. We'll see what they look like after they're installed. The wires are labeled for your turn signals. Makes it a lot easier when you're wiring it up. On the back of the module, it does have a barcode for you to scan. If you want to use the app, you could just scan this barcode and download the app. Here's all the hardware it comes with. Everything you need to mount it to your machine. These things they're very heavy. They feel like they're pretty durable. So the only issue with mounting it like this is that you're not going to be able to use 2 screws. Hopefully they won't go anywhere. They feel like they're on there really good. There's your hazards. You can see they're both flashing. Got your turn signal. Not sure if it's coming through on camera, but it is sending like a laser light up into the sky. You can kind of see the rain going through it. It probably just isn't going to show up too well on camera, but it's pretty cool. You can choose to have the rings, the lights on the side, either on or off. And you can change those colors as well. You just have a solid color. All sorts of stuff you can do on here.